welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us again. We are doing a 2-for-1 today, so you're gonna get what you pay for, okay? So I am here with you today with the Stylist brand, a Swiss lace silk top lace wig. This young lady is the straight affair that I have on right now. I have her in the color number 1, okay? And this is a silk top unit, which I love. I love silk top lace, okay? And this, I'm going to show you the inside of this one. This is the second unit I'm going to do. This is Vivien, okay? So you can see the silk top. 2 combs in the front. Let me drop that. 1 in the back, okay? Adjustable straps. Ear-to-ear lace. Adjustable straps will kind of forever. Okay, so I actually love... I was impartial to this hair when I first put it on. I first put it on. I thought it was a little humpy, and I was like a little bit worried. So I did a little bit of work. I cut some little baby hairs. I lay her down, okay? I put in a little LA Pro Girl concealer. And I actually am feeling her way more now. I love the length. She's only about 16 inches, 16, 18 inches, which I love. Really? So, like, I actually really love this. Let me turn around for you guys. This is the perfect length. It's like a blowout, like a cute little wrap. I hope you can't see my bun in the back, guys. I got my hair in a little bun because I'm lazy. Judge your mother. No, really don't judge your mother. Mothers are queens. They're gods. Don't judge them. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mom. But, yeah, I'm really, really feeling her. I like the texture of the hair. Let me get up on you. It's like a kinky texture. Right? Would you agree? Would you say this is like kinky? Look at that. Okay. Somebody would probably say yucky. And I'm saying kinky as in like a natural, if you got your natural hair like blow dried out, like this is to me what it would look like. It's nice and thick. Okay. And the cap is super friggin' snug. Almost so that I have a button in the back of my head and it's not, I'm not what kind of forever down. And I can't wait to snatch this bad boy off. But I'm loving the way she lays. So you can part her in several places. You could do a cute little side part. I chose to do middle because that's the life I'm living right now. Okay. And you could part her on this side as well. But y'all know what they mean. Who tried, y'all? It's hot in LA. And as much as I'm feeling it, this one room I'm in don't got no ventilation or whatever. So, but yeah, I am really, really into this collection. This is my first time ever doing a Stylist collection. And I actually received this unit from Samsbeauty, New York. So we're going to do a nice homage to Samsbeauty because they sent us these units. And I am really, first of all, I look so good in bone straight hair, y'all. It ain't even funny. It's really not even funny. I just look too cute. Yes, I just gave myself a compliment. Don't judge me. Judge your raggedy, dirty, broken down baby daddy. See how I didn't talk about your mamas? But we can talk about your baby daddies, though, because why not? Well, I'll be back. I'm going to throw on Vivien, okay? We have her in a different color. And we're going to get into this. I'm feeling these. All right, guys, we're back. I am back with the second unit, okay, from the Stylist collection provided to us by Samsbeauty.com. And this young lady is Vivien, okay? I have Vivien in the color OT4276A. OT4276A, okay? This is her stock card. I did this young lady to the side just for a different look so you guys can see that both of these units are able to be worn 3 different ways, left, right, and center part, okay? So it's weird because I feel like this unit is less snug than the last one. Is that possible? Or did I just make that up? So I did not, this is her fresh out the pack. This is what the curls look like, okay, when you pull them out. I did not comb them. I figured we would do that together. So I really like this hair. Look at this color. You know, we got to get into the color, y'all. Okay, so it's like mixed. So underneath, it's like a little bit lighter. You see the darker? What do they call that? Is that... I know I've asked this question before, and don't judge me, okay? Don't come for me. Is it balayage? Balayage? Y'all know what I'm talking about. So, this is our brush. I just want to see what she's going to look like all brushed out. First of all, I love Black Girl Blonde, aka OT42766A. Okay, get into it. Let me see. So I did her to a side part. So what I do to lay this unit, because she does need a bit of work, I did use my wand curler, which right now that's becoming my favorite way to lay my wigs. Like, as opposed to use my flat iron, I just take my wand curler, which I know I've said this before, but just like roll it down and it flattens them out so beautifully. Like it's done this one. Look at the color now, guys. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay. All right. Oh, guys. What do you think? This is to the side. What do you think? So I did have to cut baby hairs into this unit because she does not come with any, okay? So the front of the lace look a little bit down, baby, when you pull her out the pack. That's just being quite frank. And then I added a little Pro Growth concealer as well. I'm sweating, guys, so don't judge my makeup, okay? Like, I'm literally sweating. I'm sweating my baby hairs out. I don't know why I have to move to a different room. That's just what this comes down to. That's just what it comes down to. But look at that. Y'all always ask me why I brush my hair like that, and it's just to get the bounce. I like bouncy hair, like big, you know, level me hair. So let me show you the back. Okay. I had to make sure y'all couldn't see my bottoms. All right. And I'm obsessed. This unit is super cute. Okay. I'm going to leave in the description the actual links to this unit. All right. You can't tell a bitch nothing. I really am supposed to be a blonde, y'all. And that is just not up for debate. And I have some blonde units coming for y'all. Look at that. Okay. See how we can part that? Look at that. Let me see if I'll let it lay for me. Good night. Good night. She's a blonde. Judge your mother. All right, y'all. Okay. So, tell me how you feel about these units. This is super friggin' cute. It's too much. I think I like the color on this one more than anything, to be quite honest. I love this color. They outdid themselves with this. But the hair, again, is a little bit to the touch. Do y'all get that when I do that? Do y'all understand what I'm saying? Crunchies. It's a teeny bit crunchy to the touch. However, I feel like this is like one of the better constructed wigs that I've had. It's constructed well. It really is. It just is. It's there's no doubt about it. So yeah, y'all, this is my review of the Stylist collection, Vivien and Straight Affair, which I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but let me not say those words too loud in my house before I get, you know what I mean? We don't want no problems. No problems. So, first of all, that was a joke. That was a joke. Just in case. Don't jump down in my comments and say no. Don't do it. So, thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with us. Woo, child. I'm sweating, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm hair sticking to my forehead. Let me go figure out. Let me get into the room with... I can't do it. I can't. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Drop down, comment, do all that. Bye.